The owner spent $8,000 to buy a used car. Now, he regrets it. This car has a strange problem. The car can only be started successfully at night. As soon as it gets light, the car cannot be started. The owner of the car came to me today. Let's see what's going on. Let's start the car and give it a try. Do you see it? It really can't start. Let's take a look. In fact, he had already asked a repairman to fix this problem. The repairman replaced the spark plug, cleaned the throttle, cleaned the oil line, and replaced the oil pump. It cost $3,000. But the problem was not solved. Later, the owner told me that if the problem is not solved today, then the car can only be scrapped. Don't start repairs right away. Let's get our thoughts straight first. You think the car can start at night, but it can't start during the day. Night. Daytime. It's obviously related to the temperature. There is a sensor in our car that is also related to temperature. Come, look here. That's it. It's called a water temperature sensor. It can adjust the car's fuel injection amount according to the temperature. If it breaks, the car will not start. But look, this water temperature sensor is new. This means that the sensor has been replaced. So the problem is not here. In fact, there is another part that is also related to the temperature control of the engine. And it is a part that many repair shops tend to overlook. Come, look here. That's it. It's called the intake air temperature sensor. I now suspect that it is broken. Let's take it apart and have a look. It's very easy to disassemble. First, unplug this plug. Then, pull up this switch and you can remove the sensor. Great. The cause of the problem was found. Look at this. Oh my God. This sensor is covered with black sludge. No wonder the car failed to start. The cause of the problem has been found. The solution is simple. Let's spread paper towels on the ground. Then use a bottle of cleaner to clean the sludge. Wow. It's so dirty. The intake air temperature sensor is a thermistor with a negative temperature coefficient. As the temperature rises, the resistance decreases. As the temperature decreases, the resistance increases. The computer will control the injection amount based on this signal. If it is too dirty, the computer cannot judge the actual temperature and thinks that the temperature during the day is as low as that at night. It will reduce the amount of fuel injection, resulting in a too lean mixture, which will cause the car to fail to start. Good, now it is clean. Look, it's like new. Next, let's install it back. See if the problem is solved. It is also very easy to install. We just need to align this hole. When you hear a click, it is installed. Finally, put the plug back in. Okay, all have been installed. Next, let's start the car. Let's see if the problem is solved. Friends, if the problem has been solved, please give me a like. Support me. Next, it's time to witness a miracle. Please believe me. Step on the brake. Shift to P gear. Come on. Look, the car started successfully. The power is still strong. Come, let's go to the front and take a look. It's so easy. The engine is running very smoothly. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.